What's up, guys? So today we're just going to take a mountain cruise with the GSR Integra. I know, not too exciting, but I got some other information I'm going to share with you along the way because I have a couple of really cool videos coming up that I'm very excited to do. Sorry for the lack of content, like I said, the truck issue, and it's just been extremely busy at work. I look like a hobo, as you can tell, but yeah, so bear with me and we'll get right into this video. And we'll be doing the POV style again today. I am such an idiot because like I said in the last video, I bought this head strap thing off eBay, like, I don't even know, like 6 months ago. I'll have to go look at my eBay order, but so long ago I bought it, and apparently I put it in the glove box of my Integra, and that was it, which doesn't even make sense because I bought it like specifically for the EF. So oh man, it's just been like that for a while. I need a vacation, and actually that is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Man, we didn't even get to the mountain road yet, and we already have tourists going 15 miles an hour under the speed limit. I don't know when they leave. Like, do they leave when it starts snowing, or... hard to spend money right now because, like I said, everyone that already knows the truck situation is still waiting for that to get done, and we are this close. I just met up with them yesterday, and just my luck, the motor we got for the truck was bad. Pulled the valve cover off and I had a bad head, so now I gotta search for another motor, and hopefully that actually is the last thing besides radiator, fan, and motor, and that is it. Everything else is done. So, get back to my vacation. I need a vacation. I've been working so hard lately, and I actually haven't had a real vacation. Like, I haven't had a vacation at all in, I think, at least 10 years now. So, it's going to be nice. And along with that vacation, I'm going to be getting some really good videos out to you guys. I already have stuff planned, and I think you guys are definitely going to enjoy it, especially all of you that have been with me throughout all this other stuff. But stay tuned for that. Definitely, if you don't have the notification bell ready or already highlighted on your on my channel or however it works, I suggest doing that. It's definitely gonna be cool. I need brake rotors so bad in this thing. It's shaking. It actually shook my control arm bolts loose from driving it so much with the warped rotors. One of these days I might try to see if one of my parts cars have good rotors on them and swap them for now, just to save money. Oh my goodness, utility work, man. When are they gonna stop doing this? Tourists and utility work everywhere. Signs up this time. My last video it came up here, they didn't even have signs up. You just came around the corner and there's a bunch of trucks over there. Montana's like way behind in civilization. For anyone that like doesn't know about Montana, like it is crazy. Like there's no Amazon Prime here. Shipping just takes an extra 5 days no matter what. But yeah, if you have Amazon Prime up here, it's absolutely useless. You can't overnight any packages, period, because the state is just so like vacant in between cities. It's crazy, especially coming from New York. Like going from New York to here, I love it. Don't get me wrong, but it's just funny how behind they are. So, anyways, the other thing I was gonna say is I've also messed up my algorithm so bad with uploading YouTube videos because I'm usually like a day late, and I was 2 days late on the other one. So my views have dropped from about 500 to 1,000. About I don't know what my average is, but just kind of scrolling through the last month, it's been like an average of 500 to 1,000 before I've been late on everything. So yeah, that's been messing me up pretty bad, and a lot of that has to do with one, work, obviously, because I've just been extremely busy and I haven't had many days off, and then two is just trying to get something that's actually decent for you guys to watch. And one of the reasons that I've been late on like the algorithm and stuff is because I don't want to upload just a junk video. I want like some sort of substance to it. So sometimes that involves me going to a city and buying something, like buying paint or whatever, buying cleaning stuff, and just to give you some sort of substance, because I don't want to upload something worthless. I feel like this video is practically worthless because it's just me babbling on, and there's construction all over the road, especially in like the windy parts. And as you guys know that I've been with the channel, we did just hit 1,000 subscribers, which makes me eligible for monetization. I did all the paperwork, and for some reason it's not counting my views and stuff towards the monetization, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I have to wait, and I gotta maybe figure out a number to call, but even that extra like $10, every 2 months, or $10 a month, whatever it ends up to be, would help significantly with just putting money towards doing YouTube stuff and not, going to bills and all that. So that's one of the other things too. I'm trying to figure out. Some of my other videos I have like 15,000 views on, like 5,000. I think one of them was up to like 20. Just random stuff like that. So all those views continuously adding up would add to monetization, which I'd actually should be getting $100 a month, which is crazy to think about. But it's just, I don't know. I gotta figure that out, because that would be so much help. Also, if you guys want merchandise, that also helps a lot with the channel, hoodies, t-shirts, stickers, because all that money I put directly towards YouTube. I don't spend it on bills or any of that stuff. Another thing too is, like I told you guys before, I was saving all my money for the truck. I just said it again, but in case I went over budget, which we did go over budget just slightly, and that's the reason I haven't even been taking any risk in spending like $300 in coilovers or $500 in coilovers for this car, and suspension in general, because it's still on stock suspension. I definitely want to lower it, but just a lot of money stuff like that is what I've been not taking any risks right now, and that's why content has been lacking lately. So I'm really hoping everything stays on track from this point forward on YouTube videos. It's just, I don't know if anyone else is like this, but it's just so frustrating when something has been holding you up for so long and it's completely out of your control, which is my truck, and that's been holding me up, not only for YouTube, but that's how I make money, or actually get by and pay the bills, is that second income of flipping parts, buying and selling cars, because it's really expensive to live out here. So not having my truck has just been putting a huge setback on my life, just financially and content wise, and it's just so frustrating. I really apologize for that, and I've said it over and over. And the guy that's doing the truck, he actually is putting a bunch of labor in for free because he feels bad that it's been taking so long to get the truck done, and that's mostly because of his rental business that he does. And I'm going to talk to him too and see if he wants to introduce himself YouTubers and stuff before, which is pretty sick. So if he has the time, I'll talk to him, and that way you guys get a whole recap of the truck just directly from him. But I do want to show you that these next few videos after today are going to be freaking sweet. My truck should be done by the time I get back, so then I'm going to be able to step up my YouTube game again and get back in the flow of things, which I'm also excited for. So I'm actually going to be road tripping, and I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm taking a pretty big road trip. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like another dumb vlog video along the way. I hate vlogs so much, but if you guys are interested in that, to just kind of see that journey, I will upload something, but that's totally up to you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to give too much information out other than that. If I do a vlog video, you might find out along the way, but yeah, definitely going to be sick. Jumping in front of my car. Yeah, get out of here. Here we go with this dang rough road thing again. Oh man. I don't even know why they just don't put like some sort of bridge through here so it doesn't have to be like this. They just like keep slapping blacktop over top where it cracks and just shifts all the time. It's so bad. Oh man. Straight up off-roading. Oh no. Off-roading on the road. When you think it's over, there's still more bumps. To stop here and take some pictures of the car. Alright, let's get back on the road. right past them at the speed limit. I'm not about that. I always slow down. You just never know. Plus, it's just, you don't get them nervous either. Blowing by them going, you know, 65 miles an hour. Slow down for tow truck drivers too, you people. Oh, looks like they already got it removed. Dude, that was all messed up. Wish I saw it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Sorry it's just a bunch of jibber jabber, but just want to get you guys ready for the coming videos and just, you know, apologize for all the lack of content lately. But anyways, if you want to see more, follow my Instagram, conjo_brothers. If you like the video, or if you're ready for good content again, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to stay up to date. Like I said before, hit that notification bell, and that way you get notified when I upload a new video, and you don't miss out on giveaways and stuff, because a lot of people have missed out on the last giveaway, and I had messages and stuff for people that were like, oh man, I'm late. But yeah, hit the notification bell, then you won't miss out when I do giveaways. And yeah, thanks for watching.